अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। कैफा हालुकी अंती ज़ैनब?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। बिखैर वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। कैफा हालुकी अंती?
अना अयदन बिखैरिन व आफिया। Okay, so Zainab, can you please tell me, have you done the previously practice session and all of the work
Yes.
in which we have done different kind of grammars and sentences and words, mufradat?
We practiced along with the some paragraphs that you have shared in the group, and we practiced with it like they were for mufrad, they were for wahid singular. I mean, so we practiced it for tasniya and plurals. Same paragraphs. The practice session, in the practice session, I and Rida were present, and we practiced it like that. And it was planned that we do it on Thursday as well, but she was busy, so we practiced it on Wednesday.
Okay, so can you please tell me so far, do you have any difficulty to understand something about whatever we have done so far? Like we have done Fele Mazi and Fele Mudare and other things. So can you tell me something that if there would be some confusion in your head or something else?
Uh, Not really, because I think we need to do practice of things, and I'm not sure about for me. It is majhul for yes, yes. Majhul for Amar. That is for normal. We say adrib, adrib. Yani yeah, you hit, मतलब you hit adrib. You hit होगा ना, मतलब
See,
मारो. Sorry, you hit. It is an order.
exactly, but it's idrab. Wait a minute.
Okay, idra.
Let me share the screen. Wait a minute. Let's
Maybe there is some distortion because I have kid uh, here, so he's playing.
It's okay. Let's have some quick review so you can come to know easily. Wait a minute. Uh, okay. Let me share the screen so you can easily know that. What do you want to ask? You are talking about the failure amar, right? Listen to me very carefully.
Yes.
When we do the failure amar is only for the person who is present. Okay? It's not for absent person, like it's not for third person, because obviously we command second person who is in front of us. So for
Yes.
failure amar, we need to see the male uh, second person and female second person, and that's it. Okay, and all ways we need to check that how can we begin the failure. Like you told me adribu. Adribu means I hit. Are you getting me?
Yes.
I hit.
Yes.
Adribu. See, in failure mudare, here, wait a minute. In failure mudare, we use zabar era. This is all about the play of Arab, game of Arab. Just keep in your head that in Fele Mudare, always in the beginning letter, in the beginning word, we use Zabar, not Zer, not Pesh. Adribu, Nadribu, Tadribu, see, Tadribu and Tadribina. And if we talk about um, third person, so Yadribu and Tadribu. Here you can check that always we use Zabar Arab. Are you seeing this? Okay, and
Okay.
when we talk about Fele Amar, so in Fele Amar, always we used to see, wait a minute. Here, Fele Amar we always use for male and female who are in front of us. Like you are in front of me, I would say Iqra. I would say Iqra, Ya Zainab, means read. So Iqra has in the beginning Zabar, Damma, Kasra or Fatha. It has Kasra. Kasra is
Kasra.
Zir. Okay. Here you can see. See, this is Zir. Idrib. Okay. Idrib, Ishrab. This kind of Arab, we need to remember that in failure in the beginning, how would we say? Are you getting my point? Yes, Zainab.
It means we will have a kasra in all the words. Like if there is a sharab word, then it is ishrib.
Exactly.
Or okay, like it will have this kasra. If ill and if
See,
mm,
I thought that we need to do a lot of activities so we can easily come to know that what do we do and how do we learn. So firstly, I wanted you guys that you have to do practice, like you have to think about some words. For instance, you can say um,
you told this ikra,
sorry, Iqra, yeah,
you
exactly,
told yes.
exactly, Iqra. Iqra means I am commanding you that read. Okay,
Mm.
all right.
Yes,
If
yes.
I would say uktub, so it means, what does it mean?
You
You
right.
write.
Exactly, I am commanding you write. So
तो ये
we
यहाँ पे तो आपने दमा बताया ना, उक्तुब हो गया तो
exactly for this purpose, I will give you some tips that how can you discriminate in between that if we would have put damma, kasra or fatha in failure amar. All right.
ओके ओके
But
जज़ाकल्लाह, थैंक यू.
firstly, yes, tomorrow, okay. Firstly, I will have you guys, I want you guys uh, to do the, like, you guys have to have understanding towards past, present, and future. Not future because future is very easy, but tricky things are understanding failure amar, failure mazi, and failure mudare. Mudare, we already have done a lot of work to understand mudare. I told you earlier, like this. See, let's have a quick review and then we will move on. See, इसको बहुत गौर से देख लें. Just look at it very carefully. अस्तयक़िज़ु, यस नस्तयक़िज़ु, तस्तयक़िज़ु, तस्तयक़िज़ीना. यस्तयक़िज़ु एंड तस्तयक़िज़ु. पहले मुतकल्लम में आ गया. I, we, and then you male, and then you female, and then third person male and female. So we need to remember these words. Fail Mudare is very easy because in the whole book we have earlier we have read only about Fele Mudare. Later on, we have we just came to know about the past Fele Mazi. So right now, I have I'm going forward to the to understand about the some posters I have shared in the group. You guys can later on check them out. See, we have. Do you remember we have done khalaqa? What is it? Can who will tell me that which uh,
He
fail is it?
created.
Khalaqa means created.
Yes.
Khalaqa ko
No, tell me the
created.
fail. Tell which fail it is. Fail mazi, fail
It
mudare,
is Mazi.
or
It's
Mazi, Mazi.
Mazi. It's Mazi.
exactly, exactly. So this is I took out some things from the Quran. So khalaqa Khalaqa is created. Okay? Khalaqa, created. This is for one person. He created. Khalaqa, he created. And if I would say they created,
He created yakhlaqakum. Yakhlaqakum.
No,
हाँ,
this is not,
yakhlaqakum.
yeah, khalaqakum.
no,
He created them.
it
He
means
created you.
he
Khalaqakum means he
created them.
created you.
Exactly.
हाँ,
Exactly. This
हाँ.
is what I wanted to say. Right?
Okay.
He created them. Khalaqakum. Good job. Because we didn't discuss about it so far. It is khalaqakum. But if I would ask, instead of khalaqa, usne, he created, I would ask, they created. How would I say? Because, Wahid and Jama in Fele Mazi, there are a lot of words in Quran. So I thought that in this way we can do some activity like with khalaqa, we only add waw and zabar. Khalaqu. It means, what does it mean, Nida or Zainab?
They created.
They created. Okay, so
Hmm.
firstly, we need to learn about these sigas, and then automatically there would be some understanding in our head that, okay, this is Fele Mazi. He created, they created. This is Fele Mazi Wahid. This is Fele Mazi Jama. So we will work first to understand about the Fele Mazi Wahid and Fele Mazi Jama. So automatically we will remember later on when we sit and want to revise something. So automatically things will come inside our head.
I
Likewise,
want to clear
Ja'ala.
one. I want to
Ja'ala,
clear one thing, teacher.
he made. Usne
Listen to
banaya.
me.
Ja'ala. So who will tell me the meaning? Ja'ala is Wahid. I want to know about the Jama of Ja'ala.
Jalu.
Exactly. Ja'alu, they made. Only
Teacher,
waw
I
and
want
alif.
to.
Only waw and alif we will add. So automatically it will become Jama. Okay?
Teacher,
I want to
Mera
say
wants to
something.
ask
Can you
something.
listen to me?
Yeah, sure.
In khalaqakum, khalaqakum is not he created you because it's kum, it's not hum. I think it will be
Exactly.
he created
He
you,
created you all.
you. Yes, you are plural.
Exactly. Plural. Jama. He created, khalaqa is he created, and kum, he created you all. Okay? Like kum is mentioning male and female both. I told you if there would be male and female, so male ka siga ही use होगा. We always use the siga of male to mentioning about male and female both. But here we can't recognize that. Maybe it is only for male, or maybe it is only it is for male and female both. All right. Like ja'alakum. How would we recognize it? What does it mean?
He made you.
Exactly, he made you. So these kind of things we need to keep it in our head. Automatically, we will come to know that, okay, fine, we have to do this and this. So in this way, we need to do a lot of activities. We need to work on this, these kind of things. And also, I have shared some pictures so we can discuss about them and you guys can work on them. Like khalaqa, as I told you, he created. All right. So a part of khalaqa, we have done the ja'ala. All right. So in ja'ala, how would we recognize it? That he made. Okay. What is next? Kharaja. What does it mean? Who will
He
tell me?
मतलब
Kharaj is
निकाला
going out. Nikala, going out.
He went outside.
Ikhraj. हाँ.
Exactly. He went outside. kharaja. So these kind of things we need to know about it. Likewise, I have worked some words alima, shariba, rahima, shahida. These kind of words show that how would we recognize the things like kutiba.
Kutiba,
Kutiba,
he wrote.
exactly. Can you tell me here we are using dhamma in the beginning?
It is a passive one. Passive one.
Subject.
Passive one. In passive, we use Dhamma in the beginning.
Exactly.
It is active. Okay.
Exactly. ऐसा ही है. Tomorrow हम we will discuss about the some tips कि हम easily recognize कर सकें. How can we recognize that? Because you know there are some tricky things in Arabic that we need to learn them. We need to remind ourselves that here we can use zabar, zair, and pesh, and there might be some tips which we will discuss about them. Inshallah, tomorrow I will try my level best, so we can easily understand that. Here fataba, ghamama, these kind of words you can easily take out from the Quran. Here you can see alima, he knew. Shariba, he drank. Rahima, he sympathized. Shahida, he witnessed. Khalaqa, he created. Ghafara, he forgave. Fataha, he opened. Amila, he did. Kharaja, he came out or he went out. Kazaba, उसने झुटलाया या
He
refused
lied.
या
He lied.
झुटलाने को भी कहते हैं कज़बा, झुटलाया.
He refused.
Refused, exactly. Ja'ala, he made. Jama'a, he collected. Abada, he worshipped. Dakhala, he entered. Sajada, he prostrate or he worshipped. You can say prostrate would be the perfect word. Khalaqa, created. He created. Raka'a, he prostrate. Zabaha, he, how do we say, he slaughtered.
Slaughtered.
Yeah,
Slaughtered.
qara'a,
Slaughtered.
exactly. Qara'a, he read. Rafa'a, he
Raised.
exactly,
Raised.
he raised or he iska particularly exactly बुलंद करना है word. So how can we explain it? Anyways, kataba, likhna, wrote, he wrote. Okay, so in this way, what do we do when we want to make it in plural? So how would we do? We will,
In plural, वो present है तो alima
no, no,
alima kum.
what is it? Is it present or past?
This is past.
All are past. Past
Exactly,
है सारे.
exactly. So obviously this is
हाँ.
past. So we have to know that how can we convert this फेले माजी वाहिद into the जमा. So अलीमा के साथ मैं वाव और अलिफ का इजाफा कर दूंगी बस. अलीमू. That's it. It became jama. Alimu, sharibu, rahimu, shahidu, khalaqu, ghafaru, fatihu, amilu, kharaju, kazabu, ja'alu, jama'u, abadu, dakhalu, sajadu, khalaqu, raqa'u, zabahu, qara'u, rafa'u, katabu. All right? So in this way, we can do the practice. As we have completed the Baina Yadaik book, last time we have, let me open it. Last time we have done last Hivar. Okay, so I want you guys that we have to practice the paragraphs in those paragraphs, we will start doing some activities like wherever we find the fail. So we will try to make in different sentences and convert them from one fail to another fail. So that would create our understanding to quickly convert from mudare to mazi or mazi to mudare. So if we do this exercise, automatically understanding would be developed in our head. So these are the mufradat al-masanda. There are multiple mufradat. We have finished this book only. We will move when we will move forward in this book. So we will get a lot of mufradat. I would recommend you all that you have to start learning those mufradat. And these mufradat, in one condition, we can easily memorize that we will add them in daily conversation. चलते फिरते हम अगर अपने mind में इसको remind करवाना शुरू कर दें, we can write them on the sticky note and put them there in our house where that position which is very much exposed towards the whole housemates, your family members, or you, if you want to memorize, so you have to paste that sticky note towards you, which is the place which is very much exposed towards you. So automatically you will remind yourself that forehead is ras, shar is hairs. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
And ainun, eye, anfun, nose, fim, lips, and raqba, neck. So these kind of things we need to learn. And most probably because when we talk about diseases and mention about like I'm under the weather and I'm not feeling well, so we definitely need these things that sadr, my chest is affected, BLM shadid and बिसदरी मेरी chest में बहुत तकलीफ है, like this. These kind of things we can make easily. Likewise, al-mehn means these are the professions they have given. It is malabis, clothing, and all of the things, all about closet. Al-javvu, all about the weathers. At-ta'am, ये सब आप you guys have to learn them and discuss them in the practice session. So if there would be any confusion, you can talk about, and later on in the class you can ask me, or in the group you can ask. These are the al-adawat al-manziliya, like these are all of the things, including home chores or house kind of things. Al-fawake is fruits, al-khadrawat are vegetables, al-asas is all about the furniture, electric home appliances, and different home appliances, right? As-safar, traveling. As-saha wal marad means diseases, health. It's all about health and diseases. Sifat, all about how can we do what and what do we do, saqil, khafif, these kind of things. And ashya mustamalatun kasiran means whatever we use in our inside our house, miswak and khatam, mandil, these kind of things you have to learn. Shajaratul aila, these are the family trees. Al mufradatu bihasabil wahdat. So these all are all about the mufradat. Wait a minute. Yes. And at the end, all of the answers are given. This is end. All of the answers are given, whatever the exercises we are going to do or we have already done in this book. So I would suggest you guys that all of the vocabulary which has given at the end of the book, you guys have to do the practice and memorize them. These are all about the vocabulary. You have to boost up your vocabulary, Arabic vocabulary. I would prefer that in our coming classes, we have to do a lot of work towards understanding of the Quran words. And also, in the beginning, I thought that I'm not going to discuss about the second book of Baina Yadaik in this level. In this level, I had to only discuss about the book one, but maybe I will start second book because there might be some very beneficial words are over there and paragraphs are over there. But firstly, we have to go through this book again, in the beginning, and in between the book, we will take out some paragraphs and we will do the practices to understand Fe'l Mazi, Fe'l Mudare. All right. Wait a minute. Yes. These all are what? This is Fe'l Mudare. Yakhluqu, he created. He creates or he is creating. Khalaqa, this is Fe'l Mazi. This is Fe'l Mudare and this is Fe'l Mazi. Now, you better know that how can you create it, khalaqa, from the singular? How can you create it in the plural? Only waw and alif you will add with khalaqa. So it will become khalaqu. It means they created. Okay? And yakhluqu is Fe'l Mudare. So how would we convert it into the wait a minute. See here. Yakhluqu, yakhliqani, yakhluqani, yakhliquna. Yakhliqina, yakhliqani, yakhliqna. Are you getting my point? So we need to know that in Fe'l Mudare, how would we convert Fe'l Mudare singular to the Fe'l Mudare plural? All right. See, yaj'alu, yaj'aluna, ghafara, ghafaru, yaghfiru, yaghfiruna, sabara, sabaru, yasbiru, yasbiruna, fataha, fatahu, yaftahu, yaftahuna, abada, abadu, याबुदु, याबुदूना. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है दिमाग में कि ये वर्ड्स हमने कहाँ देखे हैं? कुरान के अंदर. All right. यजअलूना, यगफिरूना, यस्बिरूना. So you guys can easily understand that we can easily take out a lot of words from the Quran. Abada, ya'buduna. Abada, abadu. Ya'budu, ya'buduna. I am telling you guys about Fe'l Mazi singular and then plural, and then Fe'l Mudare singular and then plural. So pay attention on that. Rafa'a, rafa'u. How would I write it? Rafa'u. See. This is rafa'a. Sorry. Wait a minute. Yes, this is rafa'a. All right. Now I will add waw and alif. So how would we pronounce it? Rafa'u. This is plural of Fe'l Mazi. All right. Then yarfa'u, yarfa'una. Hashara, hasharu. Yahshuru, yahshuruna. Ghafala, ghafalu. Yaghfilu, yaghfiluna. Aqala, aqalu. Yaqilu, yaqiluna. I hope the understanding is developing in your head. Right, Zainab and Nida? Now
Yes.
you can easily,
Okay.
you can easily know that how can I create the Fe'l Mazi and convert into from the singular to plural, and how can I create the Fe'l Mudare and how can I convert from the singular and plural. Are you getting? All right. And this is for third person. He. I'm talking about he. He did this. He did that. He ke baad they did, and then you did. He is doing or he does, and he did. They did. This is Fe'l Mudare. Means present. In present, I'm talking about third person male and a lot of people, they, males. And here I'm talking about he, Fe'l Mazi, and they, Fe'l Mazi. Hashara, hasharu. Yahshuru, yahshuruna. Ghafala, ghafalu, yaghfilu, yaghfiluna. So these kind of things you have to make in your notebook. So easily the understanding would be developed in your head. All right, we have 10 minutes left, so we will join it again, inshallah. Today we will take a longer class and tomorrow, inshallah. If there would be any issue tomorrow in this time, so can we have a class after 1 o'clock? Would it be possible for you guys?
Okay,
Yes,
Actually, maybe
possible it
tomorrow
is.
I would have the session around 11 till 1 o'clock. So that's why maybe. So I will, inshallah, let you know because I don't want to miss the class. So, inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss these kind of things in detail and I will tell you the tips and I will tell you some words for the exercise to do the practice at home. Right now, let's check it out quickly. I have already shared these posters in the group as well. We already did this. Do you remember, Nida? What is it? Do you have an
ये
idea?
majru marfu and majroor.
Exactly. This is the chart for understanding the Rafa, Nasab and Jar, Marfu, Mansoob or Majroor. So Arabic has three short vowels, Dhamma. What is Dhamma? Pesh. Fatha, Zabar. Kasra, Zer. And here they have given the sound U, A, and E. U sound mention that subject, this is the subject. A sound recommend that this is the object. And E sound is all about the showing that after the,
After her
exactly, after
after
the
her word is
preposition, yeah. After the preposition, we need to use it. Likewise, long vowels are formed by adding the associated letters to the short vowels. Long vowels क्या होते हैं? Like this. See, Mohandesun. Here they are showing the short vowel like we have Mohan. I'm not saying Mohan. Are you getting it? How can we discriminate in short and long vowel? Long vowel is maftuhun. I'm not saying maftuhun. Okay? If there would be maftuhun, so it means ऊ का sound जो है वो short है. So it is called short vowel. But here maftuhun. Here ta के बाद वाव है. So it is called long vowel. See, alif is coming after ba. So it is not babun, it is babun. So it is long vowel. It is not kamisun, it is kamisun, kamisun. I hope you guys got it, that what is the, how can we discriminate in between the long vowel and short vowel? And absence of a vowel sign is denoted by sukoon, like maksurun. See, we are not putting any, like there is no Arab toward the kaf. So we are only taking out the sound of kaf, but we are not mentioning the a, e or u. So it has sakoon. So can you tell me that is it clear?
Yes, it is clear for me. It is clear.
Okay,
Yes.
right. Yeah, Zainab, do you want to say something?
No, it's
Is it clear?
yes, ma'am, it's clear.
All right. So have you heard about solar versus lunar letters in Arabic?
Yes,
Yes, we heard.
I
We
have.
heard.
Okay, all right. So, okay, so kindly join the class again. So we will discuss it in our next session. Join it again.